Hello, just a video on how to use your bog standard LiPo charger. They're all pretty much the same, whether it's an IMAX1 or an ISDT. So what you want to do is make sure you've got the relevant lead. Make sure you plug it into the right sockets. This is an XG30. Some batteries have XG60s, or JSTs, Tamiyas. So make sure you've got the right plug. I want to charge a 4S battery, 450 milliamps. Plug the XG30 in, and then I'm going to plug the balance lead in. So it's 4S, it goes in that one, like that. Now we go into the charger, and you can scroll through the menu, and you're looking for lithium polymer LiPo. This one. So you press select, and it's going to give you some different options. So you've got balance charge, charge, discharge, storage mode. This is important. But if you want to charge your battery, the best thing to do is use balance charge. My charge is a bit burnt from a previous video where I blew a battery up. Don't do that. But I don't know if you can see, but it says 4S. So anyway, enter. That selects the charge mode, and adjust if you want whatever S battery you need. Again, this is a 4S or a 4-cell battery. Enter. Then the C is your capacity. Now this is a 450 milliamp battery, and they won't have 450, but I generally do it less because it's safer and better for your battery. Enter. And this is the charge amps. Now this is important. Always generally keep it the same as your milliamp hour. So 0.4 of an amps is 400 milliamps. Enter. That's it, it's set up. Again, long press this time, and then confirm to start charging. This is the voltage. This is the current that the battery is taking. This is the milliamp hours that the battery has basically took. If we press this one, it will show you the individual cell voltages, and that's why it's a balance charge. It's balancing the cells out. If we press this one, it will show you your end voltage. If you press it again, it shows you your cut-off charge rate. Again, there's all sorts of manner of thing in here. You don't really need any of it. Well, it's just the basics. I'll press stop, and I'll press stop again. And that takes it out of that, and you can go to whatever battery you want. Yeah, but we'll keep it on LiPo. Press select, then go to storage mode. Enter 4S, 4-cell, enter. Now look at that, nearly 5 amps. That would start a fire, that, as my other video shows. So you must turn this down. $400. Enter. That's the long press again, and then enter. Now the end voltage will be different now. There's your cell voltage. See, that is storage mode 15.4. That's the basics of you pretty much all LiPo battery chargers. Cheers.